Thanks for joining us. I'm Richard Klein, founder of Klein Electronics. Klein Electronics has been a leader in the two-way radio communication industry for 30 years, providing ruggedized two-way radios and accessories and push-to-talk over cellular peripherals. Today we'll discuss the topic of POC, what that means for you, and how teams can organically migrate from using multiple legacy devices such as walkie-talkies to smart devices that utilize software to mimic the function of a two-way radio while offering enhanced features and benefits. It may sound complicated, but today you will understand how easy it really is and how this solution increases efficiency, employee productivity, and is easily used. From our own brand names such as Blackbox and Bluecom to building ODM and OEM for clients such as Kenwood, Motorola, at&t, and others. With the super low defect rate of 0.5%, we easily offer a 3-year comprehensive warranty for our clients. The majority of our business is through dealers and resellers worldwide, focusing on those that are dedicated to providing solutions designed for frontline workers and first responders. With in-house design, we control the electrical, tooling, firmware, and software integration from the design phase to final production. This level of oversight and attention to quality control is what makes Klein a true OEM and your ODM go-to team. Over half of our team have been with the company for 15 plus years, so we have an experienced, agile, efficient process of building products that enhance the experience of the end user. The fun part of designing a new product ourselves is that we get to test functional theory with short-run prototypes while continuously brainstorming the next iteration. For example, our recently patented touchscreen push-to-talk button, the world's first. How well do we know push-to-talk? Let me give you an example. In 2000, at&t Nextel became the first integrated mobile phone with walkie-talkie function. Here in San Diego, California, our sister company, Klein Wireless, had 3 retail locations and about a dozen outside sales reps. Audio accessories with no push-to-talk button quickly became an industry issue, so Klein Electronics designed, developed, and patented the first ever circuit-controlled push-to-talk over cellular headset for Nextel. at&t Nextel was the foreshadowing of POC and gave us a clear understanding of the integration of how smart devices to come would require commercial-grade accessories to support the daily work life of those using rugged two-way radios, making it easy for them to put down that radio and mic and pick up a smart device with the same feel of commercial-grade accessories while keeping the learning curve to nearly zero. So before we give you a quick demonstration, I'd like to tell you about our processes. In order to control both the quality and technology, we have partnered with ISO certified PCB and SMT production facilities in both Vietnam and Mexico, which is just a short 45-minute drive from our San Diego offices. Once our electrical and firmware engineers have laid out a PCB, we produce prototypes here in the USA. From there, we finalize the design. In 2006, we opened a plastic injection and assembly facility in Vietnam in order to maintain quality control as well as maintain our unique designs. Since we own the tooling, we control the distribution of the designs as well as full quality control. Klein Electronics builds complete accessory solutions, from audio solutions that include public safety and commercial users for headsets, earpieces, and microphones, used by first responders, to security, maintenance, engineering, construction, racing, hospitality, and retail store clerks. We also build a line of industrial-grade chargers and rugged carry solutions. So what is POC and why is this the emerging technology that is changing the way workers communicate? And while at&t was an all-in-one solution, POC utilizes a variety of products that require choices. POC, short for push-to-talk over cellular, means that your Samsung device has the features and form factor that you choose. Then you download an application that turns that device into a global walkie-talkie using mobile phone cellular repeaters. From there, depending on the user requirements, you choose accessories such as multi-chargers and audio accessories that accommodate the push-to-talk. This is done using microcontrollers on the PCB of the accessory. Each headset requires firmware specific to the device as well as the application in order to activate the device to trigger the application and perform the function of PTT clearly and without latency. At Klein, we currently offer an extensive line of audio accessories that are built with the same quality and rugged durability that two-way radio users have relied on for 30 years. We translated this product scope into what are now smart accessories able to work in tandem with the devices and applications perfectly, and in unison as an OEM product. Since you do have many choices for devices and applications, the selection can be daunting. Among the elite solutions are the Samsung line of phones and tablets paired with the Microsoft Teams push-to-talk application, aptly named Walkie-Talkie. Since millions of users have proven them both to be trusted, Klein has built a line of accessories to accommodate those products, spending hundreds of hours ensuring the partnerships feel and act as one. Verticals utilizing push-to-talk include retail, construction, warehousing and logistics, and emergency services, among other frontline workers. A variety of products built perfectly for a variety of applications. So what are companies and workers using now, and why would they change? For many decades, groups have relied on two-way radios, also called walkie-talkies. Why? Because they're low cost, reliable, and readily available. And Klein has built high-quality two-way radios for more than 20 years and sold hundreds of thousands in both our black box name and private label for others. According to Global Newswire, the TAM, total available market, is predicted to touch $5.26 billion by 2026 for two-way radios at an annual growth rate of 11.7%. That's 40 million two-way radio users. COVID initially decreased usage by closing many of the hospitality, school, and restaurant industries, but has since caused it to explode due to mandates for safe distancing and mask wearing that decreased the ability to communicate without devices. The overall PTT market size is estimated in 2020 at 29 billion US and expected to reach 32 billion by next year, with a CAGR of 10%. This study was conducted across commercial, construction, energy utilities, government, manufacturing, public safety, transportation, logistics, travel, and hospitality surveys. So why the change? What advantage does POC offer over conventional two-way radios? Well, let's start with an example. River Island clothing stores based in the UK. With 250 stores in the UK and Ireland, River Island contacted their integrator, Jade Solutions, to analyze their internal worker communications and offer a solution. River Island was using thousands of radios as well as a myriad of other devices, including Zebra and others. Among those tested for solution was the mix of Samsung phones, Teams PTT application, and Klein push-to-talk earpiece headsets. A pilot was rolled out over many months comparing various solutions. The decision was finally made to end of life all devices in favor of rolling out the Samsung Teams Klein solution for all employees across all locations. This enabled them to design custom staff and management groups to communicate with locally as well as regionally. Klein's product team worked diligently with Jade and Microsoft Teams to ensure assimilation into their SODI MDM software, ensuring the solution was viable, seamless, and future-proof. 3,500 devices were purchased and currently deployed. Users now have the enhanced capabilities of voice communication, as well as inventory data, cost checking, product demonstration and comparison, as well as internal problem solving, image taking, and barcode usage. Using a smart device paired with enhanced voice capabilities brought River Island into the future and made the customer experience easy, fast, and fun. Workers enjoy the all-in-one capability while using a familiar earpiece with large push-to-talk button, making the learning curve zero. The bottom line? To organically migrate from two-way radios to POC, users must have a commercial-grade device and peripherals that mimic their current communication products. Along with professional applications, the bundling of accessories and devices is essential to reduce purchasing confusion and enhance adoption. We build a complete line of peripherals and accessories. Today we're going to demonstrate with our Customer Experience Manager the Curl, popular earpiece with inline push-to-talk.
The ruggedized Klein Electronics Curl earpiece with inline push-to-talk button and microphone includes a comfortable, flexible ear loop with a professional quality speaker that rests on the outside of the ear for all-day comfort. The speaker swivels for left or right ear use and is easily wiped off for hygienic shift worker use. With Kevlar reinforced cables and connector options, the Curl is compatible with the Samsung suite of devices. Our firmware engineer team ensures that the PTT function works great with the Microsoft Teams walkie-talkie application. Simply connect the Curl to your Samsung device. Features include a rubberized inline push-to-talk button and a noise-canceling microphone, a swivel metal alligator clothing clip that reveals a single screw battery door for a replaceable 2-year battery. Ruggedized strain reliefs on both ends ensure that cables don't pull out or break. An adjustable collar clothing clip makes it easy to secure to a shirt or to a uniform. The Klein Electronics Curl Ruggedized Push-to-Talk Earpiece, built for Samsung and Microsoft Teams walkie-talkie. The perfect solution for hospitality, EMT, retail clerks, construction, security, healthcare, and other frontline workers. All right, so here's just a very quick demonstration of how this works. I've already got the device hooked up to my Samsung phone right here. I've got the push-to-talk portion right here connected to my shirt or uniform. Push the button here. We've got the flexible earpiece. Works, as we said, left or right ear. I place it on top of my ear. You'll notice it doesn't go in the ear, it rests on top. Very comfortable. All I've got to do now is hit the push-to-talk button, and the Microsoft Teams application will do the rest. Here it is. That's it.
Thank you again for joining us today and learning more about Klein Electronics and what we contribute to POC. For more information, visit our website or contact your integrator or distributor today.